Hello, hi my dear students. Today we can do 3 more questions from 3-dimensional geometry. Okay, so the first question. So we have the question here, find the shortest distance between the lines. This is one line, this is another line. We have to find the shortest distance between the two lines. So first of all, the given are two line vector form equations. You know the vector form equations are vector can be written as a plus lambda b. Here you can denote a1, b1 since we have two lines. Fine. So this is one. The next line can be represented as a2 plus, in the place of lambda here mu. So mu b2. So we have two lines and a1 is what? In the place of a1 we have this. Then lambda is already the b1 is this one. So take down the terms a1, b1, a2, b2. First you write the terms. So here a1. a1 is equal to what? a1 vector. That is I plus j. Similarly b1. b1 is what? 2i minus j plus k. This is what? This is b1. So we have a1 and b1. Similarly, find a2. Take down a2 term. This is a2 and this is b2. So 2i plus j minus k. Then b2 we have. Next it is b2, right? So b2 we have this one. 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Okay. So we should know the formula calculating the shortest distance. I am representing the shortest distance as SD. Okay. Formula first we have to study. That is B1 cross B2 dot. Then A2 minus A1. Fine. Whole divided by again B1 cross B2. Here this you take mode in the denominator. Then at last take full mode. So this is the formula for calculating shortest distance. Here we have B1 is there, B2 is there. Take the cross product of B1 and B2. Then A1, A2 vectors are there. Subtract A2 minus A1. Then take mode of this one. So first you do the calculations, then substitute in the formula. Okay. So first we can do the calculations here. We need what? A2 minus A1 we need. So this is A2, this is A1. So 2i minus I. J minus J 0. So no J term. Minus K. So this is A2 minus A1. Fine. Now we need B1 cross B2. Correct? That is how we will do mode I, J, K you have to. Not mode, sorry. Determinant I, J, K you can do. That is here in the place of first 2, here minus 1, here 1. Here what are the terms? 3, here minus 5 and here 2. Then similar determinant solving you can solve. That is how I cap you can put. Fine. This and this will go minus 2, minus plus 5. Then next term it is minus j. This and this will go 4 minus 3, right? Then last plus k. This and this will go. Here we have minus 10, minus plus 3. Fine. So what will be the value? Value will be I cap. Here we have 3 will come, right? 3 minus j cap. Here what will? 1. Then here plus k cap we have minus 7. Correct? So you can write in the form of a vector. So you can write 3i minus j minus 7k. Fine. This is B1 cross B2. So almost all terms we got. One more thing we need to take. Mode of this one. B1 cross B2. That mode we have to take. So mode means we have to take the values square root of this one, 3 square plus minus 1 square plus 7 minus 7 square. Here squaring negative terms you can ignore. So what will be the value here? 9 plus 1 plus, this is what, 49, right? Yeah, that is 50 plus 9, that is root 59 is the value of mode B1 cross B2. Now almost all terms we got. This was one term, this is another term, and this is the third term. So then substitute in the shortest distance formula. So we got these three values, just to substitute these values in the equation. So what is B1 cross B2? B1 cross B2 is 3i minus j minus 7k dot. What is A2 minus A1? I minus k. Fine. Whole divided by root 59. Take the dot product. 3 into I, 3. There is no j term, so minus 0. Then minus minus plus 7, right? By root 59. So 7 plus 3 we have 10 by root 59. This is the shortest distance. Clear, students? So we can see the next question. So the second question. Find the equation of line passing through a point is given and is parallel to a vector is given. So this is a point, this is the vector. They are parallel to each other. And we have to find the equation of line both in vector form and Cartesian form. Fine. So first of all, write down the vectors. The point is given as 1, 2, 3. So you can assign it as an A vector. So I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. K cap. K cap. That is 1, 2, 3. The point. You can write it as a vector A. And the parallel vector already given as B vector, that you can write it as 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Fine. Now, what is a vector form of an equation of line? That you should know. It is represented as R vector equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. This is the formula. Where A vector is there, B vector is there. Just to substitute that in this equation. This is the vector form. Therefore, R vector can be denoted as A vector is that I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into this one B. 3i plus 2j minus 2k. So this is the vector form of the equation of line. Now, we need to find Cartesian form. Okay. So Cartesian form, it is in the form, we will represent xi plus yj plus zk. This is equal to, you can equate to this one. I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Fine. Now equate the I. Here I coefficient. So we are going to equate the I terms. I, that is here I coefficient is x. Here it is what? 1 is there, right? 1. And here also lambda, 3 lambda is there for I coefficient. So plus 3 lambda. Fine. Similarly y, j coefficient. Here it is 2, right? 2 plus 1 more is there, 2 lambda. Then last is z, k coefficient. Here it is what? 3 plus here minus. So 3 minus 2 lambda. Fine. This much it is clear. Now we need lambda equal to, make all the three terms in lambda equal to form. Fine. But here what is lambda equal to? We have lambda equal to, this 1 will move here, then x minus 1. 3 is into, it will go by. So lambda equal to 1 we got. So this term we got. Similarly here lambda equal to this 2 will move to the side, so y minus 2 into 2 will become by 2. Then last lambda, here we have 3. It will become z minus 3 and divided by minus 2. So all are lambda. That means we can equate it as x minus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 2 by 2 equal to z minus 3 by minus 2. This is the Cartesian form of equation of line. So we got vector form as well as Cartesian form. Clear? So one more question we can check. So the last question. Here we have to find the angle between a line is given and a plane equation is given. We have to find angle between line and plane. So the equation you have to study. The equation, it is what? Sin phi is equal to b dot n by mod b mod n. And finally you take whole modulus. It will be a positive value. So take modulus at last for whole thing. So this much things first we have to find, right? So we have a line equation which is in the Cartesian form. So that you can write everything in minus, actually it will come. So x minus of minus 1, same thing. So by 2 equal to y minus 0 by 3. Z is already there is minus, so as such. So write from this, write the Cartesian form. R vector, how you can write? A vector is this minus 1, 0, minus 3 point. For that point getting, I have written like this, okay? So minus 1, 0, minus 3. Fine. That is minus I. There is no j. Then plus k. This is A vector. Plus lambda into b vector is 3, this point 3, 2, 3, 6, that is 2i plus 3j plus 6k, this is b vector. So this is A, this is b. We need b here, right? And what is this n? This one. N vector can be written as what? 10i plus 2j minus 11k. This is n vector. Now we have n vector is there, a vector is there. Then we can first find dot product. Then take modulus of each vector. Then substitute in this formula. So we can find the dot product. B we know, n we know. So finding dot product, 2 into 10, that is 20. Then 3 into 2, that is plus 6. 6 minus 11 minus 66, right? So calculating this, we will get this is 40, then 46 minus 6, that is minus 40 will you get, right? Now taking mod b, that means square root of this value, 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. Similarly mod this one, 10 square plus 2 square plus 11 square. So this is 36 plus 9 plus 4, that is root 49, that is 7. Here 100 plus 4 plus 121, that is root 225, you will get 15. Just to substitute the values here, minus 40 is b dot n, by mod b is 7 into 15 whole modulus. So on simplifying you will get minus 8 by 21. Okay, so last you have to take the modulus. So final answer will be phi equal to, that is angle will be sine inverse 8 by 21. So this is the angle between the line and a plane. Simple, just study the formula, then substitute. So we have completed 3 mark section. Next class we can continue with 5 mark. Till then, bye.